Hi guys, let's make another video to remind you that you, the community, the users, said to us, let's keep the advanced installation online. Internet connection required, and this one is no internet connection required. This will fail, depending on the time. That's all it needs. More time, more package builds that conflict. Keyrings that are not okay, or whatever, servers down, etc, etc. This is going online, and there are so many factors that need to be correct, need to be just fine, and then of course you can update. But if this will not work, and that's the sentence we keep reminding people about, use the easy installation if the advanced installation fails, right? We have zero control over the package builds, and well, first of all, the package build from ArcoLinux, and then secondly, the package build of AOR. Calamares is Calamares. By that I mean, let's do an advanced installation and see it crash. Let's hope it crashes. Then I can show you the code as well. This is what the other Linux distributions don't want to do, right? Because you are exposing yourself to all kind of errors and frustration, of course. As long as everything works, it's awesome, right? You just can click and install, and everything is working fine. But this one glitch in the matrix, all right, one thing, and then of course Calamares, which is, it's not Calamares that's crashing, it's Pac-Man or whatever package manager that's beneath it, because it relies on correctness, on not conflicting packages or servers that are working, etc, etc. There's so much things that can go wrong because you are opening up your doors. Basically, you're going to the internet, and if that fails, a broken internet connection, a slow internet connection, because sometimes people say it's stuck, but maybe not, right? Maybe it's just downloading very slow and then installing very slow, and then of course you get the impression, oh, it's not working, right? It's all those things combined that makes us say, and me personally as well, I use the easy installation offline. Why? I don't have time to click all these things. It's fine, it's wonderful, it's great, and if you're new, so what's this, oh what's that, and you try it out. But once you know the tools you want, you create something like the ArcoLinux Nemesis. You create a script that says sudo pacman -s that, sudo pacman -r, remove that, and you run it after a clean installation, after an easy installation. This one does not require the internet. This is the beach, the mountain, right? And you have your laptop in front of you, drinking a beer, and then voila, it just installs from the USB, and it does not require anything. And later on, you're online, and then you have SophieRAM. Don't forget that as well. So SophieRAM is exactly the same thing as Calamares is. We're using the Calamares files. The choices that you have in here are in SophieRAM. That is, like I said, it's the YAML files. It's the exact files from Calamares. And all you need to do then is later, if you want to click, right? If your scripting is not your thing yet, please learn it, because it's so easy to just walk away and let the machine do the work for you. That's right. It's a dream. So let's pause the video here. Let's hopefully, right, it breaks, and then we can show you why it breaks. There's always a reason for it, and it's out of our hands. It's simply out of our hands. We can't predict the future. What all those thousands of people in Arch and in AOR are doing can make Pac-Man say, I'm giving up, right? And then Calamares gives you the message that Pac-Man has given up. All right, let's wait. And thank God for us, right? Yay, there's an error. So, like I said previously, it's not Calamares that's crashing. It's Pac-Man that's crashing. Package manager error. And what does it say? It says here, I want to do an update. A U, no confirm, disable, download, etc. So basically, Let's have a look. Yes. So have a look at it if you like, right? And this is the link that you should give us if you want us to investigate, us to read. Then it's termbin.com DYSN. It's not that long often. And if you go to Firefox, you can immediately analyze with me. So it's already copy pasted, Control V. And you go all the way down and then a little bit up. And then you go for a look where it fails. And here we have the Pac-Man. Pac-Man failing. Where are you? Here he is. So running, he wants to run Pac-Man -su, no confirm, otherwise we have to say yes, yes, yes all the time. And it says these packages are conflicting, unresolvable conflicts, and that's the Pac-Man reading the package builds. And in this case, Quantum Qt5 and Quantum Qt6 are in conflict. At this point in time, all our ISOs don't have Quantum Qt6 anymore because of this change. But we can't go in the past. So in the past, we can't know the future. So if somebody is changing the code, anybody, in this case, let's investigate, it's the AUR, right? We are on the AUR, and in the AUR, at some point in time, they set Control F, conflict. Is this not getting any bigger? No. Look at that. Not getting any bigger. So here it says conflicts, Quantum Qt5 with and Quantum Git. So in Quantum, this changed, Quantum Qt6 changed. And they put a line in there that it should conflict with the other one. And then Pac-Man says, well, I don't know what to do, right? And that's basically what happened here. So in the summary, we're having trouble changing this thing here. But anyway, so Quantum Qt5 is now a conflicting factor with Quantum Qt6 and done, right? We are stuck. And these things will always happen because it's just the nature of Pac-Man. It is told, it's been told that there is a conflict between two packages and boom, you're out. And that's why we always say there is so much going around, happening around the installation, so many factors in our exterior environment, right? That we say stay internal. Use the easy installation. Use the easy installation if the advanced installation fails. And you don't need the advanced installation at all. It's fun to choose, I get that, right? So we've made a inquiry to all the users, the user base, and I said remove or not, right? And you said keep it in. Okay, we're keeping it in, but realize that if that happens, you're going to have to go to the easy installation, and then we have SoftwareM afterwards. There are two options. There is SoftwareM, the software installer remover, where you just start clicking again. But best thing is move away from all the clicking and go to scripting and write a file that says sudo pacman -s install this and sudo pacman -r remove that and run that. And me personally, that's the ArcoLinux Nemesis scripts. It's a very complex thing, but let's have a look at number 500, for example. I have explained you a video of 1 hour about Plasma 6, and it's just one file, and you run. The first bit is remove, a second bit is install, and that's it. And you have your ArcoLinux system using easy installation and later on installing whatever you want or removing whatever you want. So again, a video to alert you of the fact that Calamares is depending on Package Manager. Package Manager is depending on users creating package builds that they decide that package should conflict with that package, and all the story ends. The advanced installation online ends. And you should go to easy installation. Okay, cheers.